Box for pilot.
I read you, Box.
Weather is favorable, asphalt temperature is 45 Celsius, and your car is perfect in every part and detail. Runway is clear. You can start.
Copy that. I go.
Our ideal partner must possess three important qualities: flexibility, special configurations, and quality assurance. Flexibility is a key feature in order to fully customize our models, and special solutions over the assembly line are needed to make our MC20 a unique car.
From the very beginning, our goal was to focus 100% on the quality and process targets Maserati Modena Plant wanted to achieve. During each step of the project, we followed the same mantra: tailor-made production. We could achieve the highest level of productivity and flexibility over the whole plant, thanks to our highly innovative tightening systems, NEXO. This enabled Maserati to combine the sporty character of MC20 and the luxury flavor it deserves. Starting from this point, we were able to implement our total quality process over every single part of the car. This is the fundamental prerequisite for such a supercar.
The solution developed for Maserati represents a factory of the future assembly line in all respects. Our tightening systems NEXO are perfectly integrated into the production software of Maserati and enable the tracking of every single tightening performed over the assembly line. Even in the case of a blackout, production continuity is guaranteed through a special function of our NEXO system. Thanks to the software integrated into our operator guidance system, OGS, the operator is guided through every step of the assembly process. Together with Maserati, we co-engineered ergonomic assembly stations with the aim of increasing operators' comfort.
The area of motor assembly exactly reflects the spirit of our partnership with Bosch Rexroth. For instance, thanks to the Rexroth tightening systems being fully integrated into our MES, we're able to reconfigure the performance level of every single nut runner according to the specific production need. This concept of total quality and flexibility in the production area represents the heart of our partnership, as it enables Maserati to continue the history of excellence we have been living with our customers for over a century.
How did it go?